Petron's way with a score of 25-18. The numbers, Denise.
Well, the attacks hindi pa din nagkakalayo, though lamang ang Generica. Sa blocks naman, grabe, 4-2 none. And napakalaking bagay nun because a block is automatically a point and that gives the opponent yung service, which is an automatic attack option kagad. The serves lamang din ng Petron. And yung errors, nakakalamang na naman yung Generica just like in the first set. And it's more of their defense. Again, yung miscommunication inside the court. Who's gonna get the ball, where they should be. And, well, there you go. On your screen is Erica Adachi, our import. The 5'8" setter from Brazil. She's 26 years old. And she was a member, or she is a member of the Brazil National Junior Volleyball team. And World Junior Volleyball Championship. The league, yeah, she's a participant. So, iba din ang experience and ang caliber na dala nito.
Right.
Maitutulong nito.
From Brazil, ang nanay from Italy, ang tatay from Japan. So, ang daming, halo, no? But, iba-iba man ang halo nitong si Erica Adachi, ang kanyang laro ay talagang namang kakaiba because the tour of duty, ang kanyang mga pinagdaroan, very consistent indeed. And so far, so good for Petron. Kanina, banggit mo errors in set 2. Mga errors ng Generica. Nung set 1, pinto.
Yeah,
ang kanilang error.
Blocks this time.
Ayun, yun ang mabigat doon. So let's see if they can adjust in set 3. Very crucial for the lifesavers. And Cha Cruz, the captain, very rare na makikita niyo po si Cha Cruz committing that error.
Yes. You know, Cha Cruz is such a player na she's not really more of, she's not a power hitter, but she's very consistent. Kaya yung mga ganyan, papalampasin na lang yan ni Coach Ramil.
Pero yung operative word doon na consistent, yun yung hinahanap ni Coach Ramil dito sa kanyang lifesavers. The consistency to play and stay alive in this opening day game nila. Petron up 2-0. Another look. Great net defense coming from the Blaze Spikers.
You know, it's the thing that Generica really has to work on because Liz Gohing was there, Melissa was there, but then yung follow-up yung support nawawala para dito sa Generica.
Tignan mo, pag tumalon si Bergsma at si Santiago, medyo hirap talaga dito ang lifesavers. Nagawa ng paraan ni Abby at the net. Ball is still alive. And Gohing will just return it to the other side. Petron again with big D scoring.
You know, it's a great set from Adachi. Connecting with Dindin Santiago. Yan yung mga gusto nating makita dito sa Petron. With a great reception. Nakakapag-set up sila ng plays such as this.
Very steady is this lady, Erica Adachi. Serving for Petron. They're up 3-0. Mayu going to Cha. Chance here for Petron to score again. A great dig there coming from Mayu. Dindin will set. Rally continues. Chance for Generica to score their first point. Wala pa rin. Going to the back was Ces Molina, but it was too strong. So the lady, or the lifesavers, will get their first point in set number 3. Sabi mo nga, Ces Molina, tumutulong kay Dindin, tumutulong kay Alena. Bihira natin makita magkamali dito sa larong ito.
Tsaka yun yung, again, consistency. Yun yung gusto natin makita. Pero ang hindi consistent dito is yung faults ng both teams. But the reception is Petron only has 9 excellent. Generica has 17. Yung faults naman isa lang. But then again, yung coverage, blocking coverage, to be specific, yung nawawala for Generica because every single time that Natalia goes up, nabablock siya.
So sayang yung reception sa magaganda.
And dapat hindi doon natatapos yun. Dapat laging, you know, when we were in college, ang puro sa amin ng coaches namin is that isipin mo palagi block yung teammate.
Okay.
So you're ready for the ball, you're ready to get that second chance to score.
Kasi you mentioned to me earlier, Chicky, it starts from the reception. Check na yun for Generica.
Yes.
17 excellent receptions. So ngayon ang kulang na lang is how to finish it off, right? So in set number 3, Nakakadalawa pa lang po dito ang lifesavers, but that's a good sign. They're down by 3. And on deck to service, Abby Marano. They can feed off from this start ng Generica. Although they're down by 3. Petron on the attack. Oh, ganda naman ng pagkakadali doon ni Micah Morada. Abby Marano medyo na late ng kaunti.
And great play because, you know, they weren't expecting that. Generico was not expecting that. That was the first time. Ang tawag po dun sa play na yun is be quick.
Be quick.
Yun yung parang, paano ba natin i-describe yun? Parang nakalihis sa quick po.
So yung pagkakalihis na yun, doon hindi inabutan ni Abby
Yes,
Marano.
and it throws off the blocker, it throws off the receiver, and since it's the first time that Petron did that, no one was expecting it.
So adjustments should be made. Pagulitin ng Petron yan. Now on deck to serve from Generica, it's Natalia. Atachi. Again, they go to Molina.
But you know what? That set was too low for Cesc Molina. Ginawa nila ng paraan yun, and you could see that Natalia and is it Shaqus, I think, was just staring at the ball. So talagang pipensa nitong Generica ang pumapatay sa kanila.
Kumaga parang naka-bonus doon si Molina, no? On the side of Petron. Ito na. Generica on the attack. Oh, great hit. And the ball almost hitting me here at the side. Another point for Natalia. Muntik tayo dito.
Don't worry, I'll save you.
Alam niyo po, literal si Denise po yung humarang ng bola. Kung hindi, sa pool na ako dito. 4 serving 7. Yan po ang ating score. Ayan na. And back-to-back points by Generica. Dalawa na lang po kanilang hinahabol. 5 serving 7. And Paning Mercado on deck to serve for the lifesavers. Oh, service error. Again, errors hounding Generica here in set number 3. Petron na makakuha ng 3-point lead as we go to our first technical timeout ng set number 3. Yes.
Kaya sana mag-rub off sa mga teammates ngayon.
Mga kaibigan, we've seen a lot of weird things nangyayari sa volleyball. Ito naman ang comparison natin sa errors, partner. Look at that. Very different.
Ang
No?
layo. 6 points. Kung isipin natin 6 points, just 6 points. But no, 6 points, 6 errors could actually mean like 12 points.
Remember, natalong Generica ng 2 points ng first set. Natalo sila ng 7 points ng second set. So do the math there. That could have given them at least a set. Boyang bola. Petron on the attack and they will score the 10 points. At si Phil ang
Cayetano.
nakakuha ng point na yan. I guess she's in shape.
Yeah. And it's nice because we always want to see players who would always go back to their first love.
Yes.
Diba?
Kasi di ba hindi siya naglaro ng dalawang konferensya?
Yes. But you know, I could see her Instagram post, her Twitter account. She's trying to work on herself, talaga trying to get back in shape. And now she's showing us the product of that.
Yes. And earlier, si Dindin naman po scoring the 11th point of Petron, finding an open zone 5. 4-point lead for the Blaze Spikers. Great dig there. Coming from Reyes. Meantime, Generica will try anew.
Yeah.
Adachi. Oh, when in doubt, you go to Elena. And that was a back set, no? Coming
Yeah.
from Erika Adachi.
And you know, look at Elena. She's so relaxed. Alam mo, hindi nga explosive yung kanyang approach, but the consistency and yung accuracy, yes, the right word, accuracy of this girl trying to
Parang kalmadong-kalmado lang eh.
yeah.
Ito naman, Chuck Cruz, very calm. The captain, she has to be calm. Sa kanya sasandal ang lifesavers because they're down by 4. Miyu. Shinohara on deck to serve. It's 8 serving 12. Generica down by 4. Petron on the attack. Too easy for Generica. Cha again. Miyu. Oh, going to Estampa pero hindi medyo maganda yung kanilang communication doon.
So normally, pag medyo malayo na yung bola sa net, the setter would give it to the open or the utility spiker. I could understand why Miyu did that because they're not really defending the center spike, pero hindi kasi yun yung percentage spiker man. You should always go to your percentage spiker at times like this.
Lalo na pag you're down by 2 sets,
Ikaw
kailangan
ang
mo ng
humahabol.
puntos, eh, no?
Either bato mo na kay Paneng o bato mo na kay Natalia.
9 serving 13. The captain serving for Generica. Great attack there. Great reception there earlier by Petron. And they get their 14th point. So defense is the key. Communication has been the key rather for Petron. Something that the Generica is trying to feel their way through.
And it's so odd because we were talking about it also. With Generica, we know that these players are all from LaSalle. Well, mostly from LaSalle. And we were saying na familiarity will not be a problem. They already know each other. They know how to communicate. They know their strengths, their weaknesses, and how they should adjust. But the thing is, Petron is doing a better job at that.
Yes. Pero sabi nga natin, baka may opening game leaders pa. Alam naman mag-a-adjust pa ang ating mga koponan.
Kahit ako maglaro dito sa Araneta, kakabahan din ako.
Alam mo, isa pa yan. We were discussing that off the air before the first game ended. Kahit na veterano ka, if you're playing in a great venue like the Smart Araneta Coliseum, kakabahan mo pa rin.
Because you know, UAP, NCAA, we all started playing sa mga school gyms, and then we went to mga ibang San Juan, we were in Cuneta, but now we're in the big dome.
Ganda ng air conditioning system. That's right.
Medyo kakabahan ka talaga.
Not to mention yung fans natin dito, very, very dynamic. Pero ito, ang Generica, napapansin ko, hindi pa sila kinakabahan dito in spite of being down by 2 sets. They're only down by 2 points. And they have to rely on people like this lady, Abby Maraño, their captain, Chuck Cruz. Let's see if they could still steal a set and force a 4th one. Mick. Too easy for Dindin. Oh, ganda ng ginawa ni Elena.
Yeah, nice adjustment from Elena. That set was too low for her. But then again, she saw the opening.
Power is, sabi ko nga, hindi kinakailangan all
It's
the time.
overrated. Power is overrated.
Kailangan mo kunahan.
Yes.
Phil, on deck to serve for Petron. Pumak sila ng 3. Ball is still alive. Molina. Deflection ang nangyari and that point will still go to Petron. Second technical timeout ng set number 3. Abante pa rin ang Blaze Spikers ng 4. 16-12.
And that the ball that Petron is throwing at him is actually slow, so they can defend it. He doesn't understand why the girls are so scattered that instead of defending or receiving well, they're letting the ball just fly in. Now, on the Petron side, Big D is proving that she shouldn't be forgotten as well despite the appearance of their 2 new imports. She is also stepping up her game, and when I spoke to Coach George, he said that's just how it is. The strength of their team is that they are united and willing to help each other out, and that the leadership of the imports is not only inspiring the girls to play better volleyball, but to make them better players in general. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Carla. One side sa Generica, partner Denise, Coach Ramil, wondering anong nangyari sa Lifesavers ko, parang hindi tayo mag-gel. On the opposite side, sabi ni Coach George, hindi lang si Dindin, hindi lang si Elena, ang Blaze Spikers United.
Oh, tama yung report ni Carla, no? It's really confusing. I mean, I'm getting really confused how Generica is not really gelling well. Dahil nga, given the fact that they're all familiar with each other, they've all played with each other. Let's say all the LaSalle players have played with each other 3-4 years. Si May Makatuno has been part of the team before, the last conference. Even Nick Laborte, and si Angustia. So they're all familiar. They really just have to start communicating. Doon talaga mag-uumpisa. If someone should step up as a leader, not just with skills, but lead by example.
And it could start with Abby, could start with Cha, and it could start with Michelle Gumabaw.
Michelle Gumabaw, kanina pa natin inaabangan to.
Another look here. Great rally that we witnessed. Pero Gumabaw at the net against Santiago. Panalo sa joust, Gumabaw.
The best blocker, she is an awardee. I think twice or thrice na in a row.
16 serving 18. 2-point deficit para dito sa kupunan ng Generica. Denise, tama ba ako kung akto ngayon ng Generica? It should be now.
Oh yes, definitely.
Ngayon na.
We're 17-18. This is their chance. They're getting all pumped up. Ito na yung time na talagang dalhin nila. Kunin nila itong third set at dalhin yung energy nila if they survive here and take it to the fourth and the fifth.
Coming from the second technical timeout, nakakalimang puntos na po ang Generica. Dalawa pa lang ang Petron, kaya 18-17 ang ating score. Ito na, Cha Cruz ties the game at 18. The captain, cool, calm, collected. Sa kabila naman, Alena Bergsma. Sabi niya, kalma rin lang tayo.
Well, there's no reason for them to panic. They're up by 2 sets.
Laborde nag-serve at lamang na po ang Generica Lifesavers 19-18. Coach George humingi ng timeout para mapigil ang momentum ng Generica.
Okay? And then, ikaw muna open to. You
Adjust ako, adjust.
Okay, 4 and slide. And then you go. Okay, back. Okay. Jen, tayo bibitaw sa block. Okay, block tayo. Hindi naman nung ibabaw eh. Diba? Dito lang pinababaan. Okay? And then defense keep low. And then, get the ball.
Well, simple instructions there from Coach George Pascua. Pag hiwalayin mo yung setter mo, yun yung sinisignal niya dito kay Erica Adachi na meron kang defender like Gumabaw on the other end. Meron kang Maranyo sa gitna. Try mong lituhin itong mga
Misdirection.
blockers mo. Yes.
Oo.
Dahil nga unti-unti nang umaangat itong game ng Generica. And for Coach George Pascua, you're up by 2 sets. Ayaw mo nang pahabain pa to.
More numbers here, Denise.
Oh, look at that service. Petron has 3, Generica has 6, so good for them. And Fox, mas lamang pa din itong Generica. Let's see how they could bounce back and lessen that.
Oh, great save there. A great reception by Laborde. Ball still alive. Regalo ang binigay kay Cha Cruz. At nung binigay sa kanya, kinuha niya ng
Of
bumbo.
course, tanggap lang ng tanggap. And you could see the energy from these players, especially ang frontliners mo. Former teammates, Lasal teammates, Maranyo, Cha Cruz, Gumabaw, all the leaders in front leading this Generica team.
2-point lead for Generica, 2018. Ball is still alive. Gumabaw will score again, not yet. Ball is still alive. Abby will give Generica their 21st point.
And don't look now, Generica is up by 3.
That's 9 points coming from the second technical timeout habang nakakadalawa pa lang ang Petron. 3-point lead for the Lifesavers. Oh!
But Alena wants to stop it now.
Alena said, forget me not. And that stops the bleeding by Petron. Ball will go back to their side. It's Ces Molina on deck to serve. 19, serving 21. Great numbers from Ces.
10 attacks and 1 block. And ito yung support system na hinahanap natin. We were talking about this on the top of the coverage. Petron needs this.
Great rally we're witnessing. Big D scoring again.
You know, every single time we mention somebody else's name, Big D just steps up and reminds us all why she is a record holder here in the PSL, scoring 37 big points. Tignan mo naman ang ganda ng timing and ng form.
Kita mo sa mukha, yung grit sa mukha
Yes.
ni Big D. Let's try to listen in to Coach Ramil.
Okay, then wave ka agad. Walang papalo ng diretsyo. So wave. Pag nakita mo may contact, abot ng bola. So, ready tayo sa dadaanan ng bola. Di bawat gilid, ha? Tandaan nyo, dadaan, nakataas yung kamay, sa gilid ang daan ng bola. Okay? So, So, maitaas lang natin to. Kuha na tayo ng puntos. Okay, go.
So all they have to do is just stop this service, get the ball on our side. Let's do the attack. Let's stop their attack. Let's try to set up our own play and take this set 1 point at a time.
At sabi ni Coach Namil, tama ba yung pagkakaintindi ko? Huwag mo yung diretso.
Yes, kasi kailangan
Ilihis
you
mo.
would never want to target the blocker's hand unless of course you're gonna do it on purpose na papacheck mo lang.
Aha. Kanina pa nasa net si Dindin and Alena. Eto, tingnan natin. Abby.
Abby Morano doing exactly what Coach Ramil told her to do.
So Generica up by 2 in set number 3, 22-20. Gumaba will sit down pero masasabi natin na naging spark siya, no?
Yes.
Dito sa...
Especially nagkasabay-sabay sila ni Abby at saka ni Sadisha.
Parang they fed off from her. Siya nag-serve for Generica. They're up by 2. Big D. Abby will sit. Going to the back. It's out. Ang palo ni Natalia.
Oh, but the first referee calls it in. Oh. Outside, yeah, okay.
So that point will go to Petron. They're down by 1. It's 21 serving 22. Erika Dachi will serve. Tingnan natin atake ng Generica. Oh, this time around, Natalia sinigurado yung kanyang palo. Torokova scoring the 23rd point of Generica.
Simpleng-simple, Natalia, kahit malayo sa net. And you can see the blocker was late also.
Oh, no. Yung timing ng talon.
Oo.
Open air space for Natalia there. Captain ang nag-serve. That's Cha. Petron on the attack. Big D defended at the net. Pero nagkaroon ng infraction dito sa net defense ng Generica. 1 point lead for the Lifesavers partner. It's 22 serving 23. Big D on deck to serve.
So you have Natalia, Maika, and May. Tignan natin kung kayang i-defend to ng Lifesavers.
Oh, smart move coming from Niu.
And what a great set! Oh my goodness.
I thought that was a gunner.
I know, because it was over-received. Sobra-sobra. And look at that one, a one-handed set from the 18-year-old. Alam mo, normally nakikita natin yung mga veteran setters ang gumagawa. But this girl is really confident. She's leading the team. She's doing everything she can to save that ball and get that point for Generica.
You go 4 or 4. And then field, open ka lang. So don't give the big blockers there.
She's coming to me. She's following me. She follows me.
You give it to Maika. If good receive. If not,
If not, go to me anyway. I got it.
okay?
Just block ha. Hey, Petron!
Simple ng game plan. When in doubt,
Go to Elena.
go to Elena.
I like how she said that.
Give it to me.
Give it to me. I got it.
And you like players who have that initiative. Tingnan natin mga numero muna dito, Denise. Matchup, Bergsma versus Korokova.
Well, Bergsma having 12 attacks, Kopkova 17 blocks. Mas nakakalamang ito si Elena. And sa service naman si Kopkova. But the thing that's helping Petron, of course, is the support system that she's getting from Bindin Santiago, Maika Morada, si Nina Agano.
Kompleto no?
Yeah.
Pero here in set 3, ang suporta ng Lifesavers, hindi mo matatanggal. But in that particular exchange, Petronas set number 4 right after this break.
Greetings, Earthlings.
So
24.
let's see if Phil can get this ball over. Nice and steady serve.
Niu. Oh, they go to Natalia as Generica steals set number 3 to the score of 25-23. Set number 4 right after this break. Ninakaw ng Generica Lifesavers and they get to play one more set. Mga numero natin, Denise.
Yeah. Petron and Generica attacks hindi nagkakalayo for 13 blocks. Parehas lang din. Generica had more services and yung error naman, first time, mas konti. ang error nila sa Petron. And that is one big factor kung bakit itong Lifesavers managed to save their own lives here at this match.
Pero alarming pa rin ng konti because they had 6 errors or 7 errors in the first set ng Generica, 6 in the second, 6 in the third.
Yes.
The saving grace, as you mentioned, nakapito na error ang Petron.
Yeah.
Isang saving grace yun, ano?
But the thing is, at least we see them, even though they're committing errors, we see them, they're having they have more energy.
Tama.
They had a spark thanks to Michelle Gumaba when she went in. And mas nakikita mo yung communication. They're also celebrating. Now, for me, it's very, very important that you celebrate a point. You don't have to be really ecstatic about it, but you have to just show your teammate that you're happy with what she's doing. You're happy with how the team is gelling, communicating, and really just trying to fight.
Ngayon, Denise, set 4. Crucial dito ang start ng Generica. I would say, even if they're down by 1 set, I would say that slightly momentum is on their side.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Pero pag hindi nila sinamantalayan and they allow Petron to have another good start like what they did in sets 1 and 2, diba? Then immediately that momentum will swing back to the Blaze Spikers.
And tama ka, they have to take advantage of that dahil nga, they were all pumped up na. They were so happy and who wouldn't? Diba, ilan yung points na hinabol nila back in the third at 9 points
That's
since
right.
the second technical timeout. And
Malayo-layo yun.
Petron just had 2. So if they continue what they're doing, if they just do what they're doing back in the third set, kayang-kaya nilang i-extend to the 5th.
Tingnan natin, set number 4, nag-umpisa na po. First dibs. Jack Cruz na depensahan. And Generica will score the first point in set number 4. Molina, malakas yung pagkakapalo, that's outside.
Molina has been quiet in the third set. Let's see if she can make her way back here in the 4th.
The captain, service error for Jack Cruz, and we are tied at 1. Again, nag-good evening po kami sa lahat ng aming ka-spikers. This is your Philippine Superliga Grand Prix 2014, day number 1. Chicky Reyes here with Denise Tan. And completing our trio, Carla Aguas manning the sides. At kinapos na naman dito si Jack Cruz at second point na po ng Petron in set 4.
And you know, we were talking about how the momentum could easily swing back to Petron's side.
Kailangan ma-address agad yan eh.
Look at that. Natalia Karkova answering back, not letting those 2 errors affect him.
Tabla tayo at 2-all. Set number 4. Doon sa mga kabubukas ng kanilang television sets. You're watching us live on Solar Sports. Set number 1 po. Went to Petron 26-24. Set 2, still Petron 25-18. But set number 3, it went Generica's way 25-23. Oh, great dive there from Miyu. Ball is still alive. Miyu was set. Buhay pa rin ang bola. However, there was an infraction.
Well, that was a lifting violation called on Generica.
But you like the energy that we're seeing right now from the ladies in white.
I definitely like the energy. Pero ng konting communication error mga 2 plays ago, but at least they have that energy still.
And the sense of urgency.
Yes.
Diba? Nag-report si Carla kanina nung set number 3. Nagtataka si Coach Ramil kung anong nangyari sa depensa. Pero ngayon parang nahanap dito ng Generica led by Mikmik Laborte, Abby Maranyo, Michelle Gumabaw. Tied at 3 ang ating score. Set number 4. On deck to serve for Generica, Natalia Korobkova.
That one sails outside clearly. You know, if I have it right, I think that was the 6th service error since the start of the match.
Sa bilang mo
Sa bilang ko lang to.
And marami yun.
Madami yun talaga, yeah.
Pero kahit na ganun ng hinaharap dito ng Generica Life Savers, tabla pa rin tayo because they find ways, or they've been finding ways rather, to either catch up, tie, and in fact, nakakuha pa nila yung set number 3. Petron on the attack.
Oh, wow.
Oh, too easy for Elena. Off the defender's hands. So So Petron grabs the lead at 5-4.
Look at this one. Hindi pa nga siya explosive but you know, the experience that this girl has, simpleng-simple, just hit it off the block, get that point, go back to the service line.
Inaangguluhan lang niya.
Oo.
Quick one. From the back,
And again,
was Alena.
I bet she's like, I got it. Kahit galing service, I got it.
Narinig natin.
Diba?
Long time
She's
out.
like that.
Just give it to me.
Give it to me, I got it. And it's very rare na galing service, ikaw pa din ang papalo.
Sa likod pa galing.
Oo.
Ang mabigat na. But I mentioned, sa likod din, nanggaling si Natalia. However, that was out.
She had the right idea in mind though, trying to hit that corner. Dahil nga hindi pa nakakapwesto tong si Alena.
Now, ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, Denise, kanina, start of set number 4. You don't want the momentum going back to Petron.
Yes. Because they already had it. Ang ano dito, kapit. Yan ang word natin ngayon. Ano ba ang kailangan gawin ng Generica para makakapit sila dito sa fourth set?
So they were able to get one more point in that exchange. 5-7. Mick Laborte on deck to serve. Molina, the consistent player. Local player of Petron. At dahil sa kanyang pagkakapalo, Petron up by 3, 8-5 as we head to the first technical timeout of set number 4.
The secret that sets everything perfect.
14 ang mga tagahanga ni Phil Cayetano, and yes, Carla, we can feel it. She's back. She's in shape. And so far, so good for Phil and the rest of the Petron Blaze Spikers. They're up. Set count 2-1. Dati po sa fourth set lamang sila. Pero quickly, coming from the first technical timeout, nakakuha ng isa pang point ang Generica. Score po natin, 8-6. Miyu on deck to serve for the Lifesavers. It's 6-8. Ball is still alive. It's 3 ball. Miyu. They go to Shaq. This time around, Natalia pinuntahan. Alena going to the back, gets out.
Alena was way under that ball.
This time around, isama natin sa ating puntahan. Carla, again, what do you have there?
Dynamic duo coach George had some wise words for the Blaze Spikers, reminding them not to be overconfident but to be aggressive. He said to avoid bad receives and play smart. It's a mind and skill game after all. On the technical side, he pointed out that their blocks have been too high, causing Generica to score. Lastly, in an interesting twist, he told his imports to pass it on to Dindin whenever they can. Back to you guys.
Oh, so kanina narinig natin, sabi ni Alena, give it to me. Pero sabi ni Coach George, when in doubt, involved Dindin.
Well, you know, I could totally understand that because now it's been a battle of imports back in the third and now here in the fourth. Actually, even in the second set, it was all Natalia and Alena. So why not use Dindin? She is, of course, the #1 spiker. She is referred to as what? The champ spiker? 37 points.
Mabigat talaga.
Oo, kung may ganyan kang player, utilize her.
And habang binabanggit mo, yun na yung ginawa nila because coming from the technical timeout, partner, 4 straight points ang binuo po ng Generica before that hit coming from Big D. So we are tied at 9. And on deck to serve is Ces Molina for the Petron Blaze Spikers. Regalo para kay Dindin.
We should never forget Dindin Santiago. Yun lang yun.
Wag.
Oo.
Siya bumuhay sa pagpuron na ito ng ating All-Filipino Conference. And this time around, she is partnering well with Alena Bergsman. Generica on the attack. Chance for them to tie. Oh, great dig coming from Jen. Ball is still alive. Nina going to the back. Bohing was there. Shot. Rally continues.
Nice one.
Oh, they've done that so many times in this game. The running spike by Dindin.
And great recognition, I think, from Adachi. Knowing that the blockers weren't there. Makita mo, alam niya na medyo malilate itong middle blocker because it's not just because Natalia was there. Hindi kaso yun eh. Yung middle blocker is very important because that's where the open areas, that's the big area where you can hit the ball passes.
And if, allow me to quote another coach from another sport, magko-cross sport ako, no, Coach Bobby Knight ng basketball saying, I can tell my opponents my play, but it all boils down to execution.
Yes.
Kanina, alam na ng Generica, it would be a running hit coming from Dindin, but that was executed well. Cha Cruz on deck to serve, 10 serving 11. Dindin, soft touch there. Abby wanting to return the favor. Agano defended at the net. They'll try again. Bergsma. Good floor defense coming from Cha. And Generica will score courtesy of Paning Mercado.
And great play and great floor defense galing dito sa Generica. Hindi nila magagawa yung play na yun kung hindi nila nabubuhay yung bola. But look at that, Paneng Mercado. Perfect timing. And hitting it through Natalia, Alina rather, na medyo parang kinapo siya.
Tied at 11 ang ating score. Set number 4. Aganon. The other side, Mio with a set. Quick one by Abby. Agano naman. And hindi inabot ni Jen Reyes yung bola. So Generica will take the lead 12-11. Great action we're seeing here.
Look at this again. Aganon hitting it, but Maranyo was there and no one was ready for the blocking coverage.
Kita na ni Jen eh. Butas doon.
Hindi lang tinuloy.
Cha with the serve, it's in. Dindin, one more time. And they've been going to that following the instructions of Coach George.
Well, it has been very effective for Petron.
We are tied at 12. Ball swings back to Petron. Erica with the serve. Oh, Abby. Alam mo, paangat pa lang siya. Alam na niyang mapupunta sa kanya yung point eh. Lamang ang Generica, 13-12. Abby Maranyo on deck to serve. They go to Dindin. And it's out, so the point will go to Generica.
She immediately apologizes for that.
So the Lifesavers are up by 2, 14-12. And for those of you who just opened their television sets, pag nanalo po dito ang Generica, will go to a 5th set. Something na hindi po imposible mangyari. Ball still alive. Here we go, Petron on the attack. You're watching the Philippine Superliga Grand Prix 2014. Live here on Solar Sports. Butay Smart Araneta Coliseum playing between the Petron Blaze Spikers and the Generica Lifesavers. Set number 4, Petron up by 1. Generica on the attack. This time around, Petron susubok. 3 ball. Chance here for Generica to tie. On the other side, Petron. Elena gives them a 2-point lead.
And great set, great attack. It's always like that. Look at Elena telling her teammates, communication, just keep it up. We're up by 2 sets. And there's no reason for them to change anything.
Crucial stage na to, Denise. Lalo na sa kupunan ng Generica. Again, it's just a 2-point lead. Let's try to listen in on Coach Alamir.
Sige. Tingnan mo lang mabuti. Adjust. Huwag na, maabot mo na siya. Nakaabot ka na sa bola eh. Okay? Saga pa tayo. Okay? Kung ipapaluin natin, then cover tayo sa ilalim. Okay? So, tingnan lang natin mabuti yung blocker bago tayo umatake. Hindi yung pasapalo lang nasa isip. Okay, go.
Tandaan po natin yung set number 3, second technical timeout ng mga Petron ng 4, 16-12. Bago nakuha ng Generica ang set 3. Ngayon naman po, 17-15. And Elena Bergsma telling her teammates, let's talk. But on the other side, itong kupunan ni Coach Ramil, kung nakain natin yung set 3, ba't natin pwede ulitin ang set 4?
And you know, he's telling the players, huwag kayong magdalawang isip. Kung papaluin yung bola, paluin nyo. And ang solusyon dyan, it's not, you don't mind the blockers, just make sure you have the coverage.
Yes.
Kasi di ba nga, a half a spike doesn't give you half a point. So, dapat go all in now. Go for it.
Ito, mag-all in na tayo kay Carla Aguas. Carla.
Well, to add to the second huddle that they had, that the first huddle, Coach Ramil actually answers back with Petron's big D plan by reminding the Lifesavers to react accordingly during the game, especially with Dindin, as she varies her playing. Pwede siya mag-spike at pwede siya mag-drop ball, kaya humanda kayo. Also, he commended them for communicating better, but reminded them of their holes on the floor that Petron keeps on attacking. Gumawa ng paraan and be aggressive. Back to you guys.
And yun ang ginawa ni Mikmik Labonte. Maraming salamat, Carla. Be aggressive. Be mindful of Dindin. And kahit na mga Petron Generica, still down by 2 or only down by 2 points.
But look at this one. Yung aggressiveness that Coach Ramil is talking about, pinakita ni Mikmik Laborde with that last play.
Maning Mercado on deck to serve. It's 16 serving 18. 2-point lead for Petron. That's a miss set by Petron. So the ball, or the point rather, will go to Generica. Bihira mo makita si Erica magkaroon ng ganung set error.
Actually, maganda pa nga yung save niya eh. Nag-cross lang yung bola sa net eh.
1-point lead for Petron. Elena makes it 2.
Oh my goodness. Pag umangat si Elena, you know it's gonna be a point. Like, automatic, you know it's gonna be a point.
Haba ng reach. Galing ng timing. Easy point indeed for Elena. 19-17. Kinuha pabalik ni Mikmik yun. They're only down by 1, but they cannot keep on exchanging points.
Yes. You know, Generica really has to stop Petron at this particular time. Hindi na nila pwedeng gawing seesaw battle to. Dapat tuloy-tuloy na. Dun nga, again, yung sinasabi ni Coach Ramil na, be aggressive. Tuloy lang.
Let's see. Molina. Wow. The jump, the hops, the power. That gives Petron a 2-point lead. Says Molina. Habak na po dito ang Petron. 20-18. Service error by Maika Morada. Gives the point back to Generica. So hindi pa to comfortable
Oh yes.
spot for Petron.
Definitely, yeah.
Miyu Shinohara from Japan. Service error. If I'm not mistaken, that's her second in this game.
And sayang because, you know, when the setter is the one serving, that's normally the best rotation for the team. Because you have 3 spikers in front, you have the libero, you have another defender at the back.
Best setup, ano?
Yes, oo. Kaya sayang na sayang kapag yung setter nagkakamali sa service.
Oh, great hit from Nina Aganon. Ganda sana nung pagkaka-save doon, ano? Pero unfortunately, the point will still go to Petron. Let's try to listen in again to Coach Ramil.
Isip tayo, ha? So, target lang mabuti. Pagka napatay natin, targetin nyo lang yung zone 1. Doon lang tayo tumarget sa zone 1, okay? Then after nun, tingnan nyo mabuti yung import, hindi basta-basta talon ng talon. Diyan, una tayong tumalon eh. Nauna tayong paling tumalon kaya sa may bago na tumadaan. Okay, go.
Atin to! Kunin natin! Again, it all boils down to timing pa din for Coach Ramil. Tignan mo yung import. You have to know what your opponent is doing. Hindi ka lang, not because blocker ka, tatalon ka lang sa net. Dapat alam mo kung bakit ka tumatalon, kailan ka tatalon, ano ba yung dapat hindi mo natalunan at depensahan na lang.
Kasi pag ang kalaban mo, matatangkad, matataas tumalon. If you don't time it properly, they'll put it on top. Ball is still alive. Jen Reyes, ganda nung kanyang pagkakadig. However, free ball. Chance for Generica to score, and they do, courtesy of Natalia. 22-20. They're thrown up by 2. Another look.
Well, this is the time that Generica got a good reception. Miyu was able to set it up, and this is what Generica needs to keep on doing. especially now that Shaq Cruz is back on the service line. They just have to get that ball over, defend, and do the whole thing all over again.
Dindin running hit. Again, ang ilang ulit na yung ginawa sa game na ito. And I'm not mistaken, ang resulta pare-pare.
Hindi talaga mahuli nitong Generica.
23-20. They're thrown up by 3. They need this point. I'm talking about Generica. Free ball. Another chance here for the Lifesavers. Miyu. They went to Natalia, pero hindi pa rin sila makascore. One more chance for Generica. Play continues. Dindin. Abby will sit. And Natalia will score.
Well, again,
Ganda ng aksyon.
There's a Generica side. Yan, pag nakakuha ka ng magandang reception or even if you could just get that ball really high, Natalia will get that point for you.
Hard ball.
I know.
From Jen Reyes, parang tumama pa yata yung ulo
Tsaka yung
niya.
balikat niya, parang
Pero warrior to. Talking about Jen Reyes. Pinagpadlak. Meantime, Elena. Oh, great read coming from Natalia. Alam niyang hindi papaluin ng malakas, anticipating that attack by Elena. Let's listen to Coach George.
Nasa ka din. Para palikod.
If good receive, give to the running. And then you go for it. Sis. Mina, four. And then, okay, after that, then slide and then 3 and 5. Okay? And then, be focused. One good receive.
Here we go. Stand out.
well, Coach George Pascua just trying to give certain plays to Erica, saying we have this option. We have Dindin could do running, Alena could hit the open spikes. There's so many options, and they could just utilize every single one of the Petron Blazing Spikers. And Erica could easily do that, especially with her number. She has 44 excellent sets. Napakataas niyan.
Wow.
Para sa setter. And imagine, we're just in the 4th set.
44 excellent sets.
Yes, ang taas nun, Chiki.
So sinabi ni Mr. Monjazara na-upgrade ang mga import. Pero ang locals natin, patuloy na nagpapakita ng galing. That's Big D giving Petron the 24th point and a 2-point lead.
And doing exactly what Coach George Pascua asked them to do.
And Big D on deck to serve. Match point here for Petron Blaze Spikers. Ito na, Generica on the attack. And Generica scores the 23rd point.
Nabuhay pa itong Generica, courtesy of Paneng Mercado. Alright, and Humabaw steps back in. But let's look at this one. Paneng Mercado hitting it off Maika Morada's hand.
Naging alay niya yung net, ano?
Oo. Sometimes it's better to be lucky than good. Ayun, pumasok na si
May
May
Makatuno.
Makatuno and si Michelle Gumabaw.
Tingnan natin. Oh! But Elena Bergsma with that hit, ang sabi niya, tama na. 4 sets na lang tayo. And Petron getting set number 4 to the score of 25-23. That was great volleyball action that we witnessed here, Denise.
I know. Look at this one. Alena Bergsman. Ibabaw na ibabaw and finding again that open spot. Getting the 4th and final set for the Petron Blazing Spikers.
25-23 going cross court was Elena Bergsma. Yan ang pong score natin. 26-24, 25-18, 25-23 going Generica's way in set 3, and 25-23 going back to Petron in set number 4. Ito ang nakita nating aksyon dito, Denise. Second conference, second season. So far, so good. The action has picked up. But more than that, the talent, the game, nag-iba na dito sa second conference natin.
Well, definitely, maganda yung pinakita ng both teams, but Petron really stepping up. And katulad na sinasabi natin, ano ba yung issue with Petron? It's just having one strategy, which is Dindin Santiago. But they definitely showed us that teamwork makes the dream work with the help of Aganon, Bergsman, and who else? Molina, all contributing to their win.
A lot of heroes, ika nga, para dito sa Petron Blaze Spikers. Again, another good start. But the imports also, talagang iba ang kanilang binibitbit
Yes.
dito sa larong ito. Sabi natin, there might be a communication barrier, but so far for Petron, parang wala silang ganyang problema. No?
Easy dahil nga technical terms naman sa volleyball, iisa lang. And when you love the sport, it's just easy to get along, communicate, and understand each other.
Puntahan natin, Carla Aguas, para sa ating pinakamahusay na manlalaro sa larong ito.
Thank you, Chicky and Denise. I am here with the beautiful and fantastic Elena Bergson. Now, 23 big points. That's 19 attacks, 4 blocks. Now, Elena, you have finally gotten a taste of competitive Philippine volleyball. So for you, how can you describe it?
I think it's a really fun atmosphere. The girls seem to be really enjoying the game, and I think we did a really good job serving this game, and it helped us.
All right, now you guys dominated this game, all right? So for you, what do you think are the strengths of your team?
I think we have a really tough serve as long as we're getting it in, and I think we have a lot of different players that can score, and I think that really helps us.
All right, now Generica stole a set from you guys, all right? So that's a given. For you, is there anything you think your team needs to improve on in order to continue winning?
Yeah, I think we really need to improve on unforced errors. We're hitting balls out, serving balls in the net, and those things, I think if we take away some of those, that we're really going to be better.
All right, thank you so much, Elena, and congratulations again. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Carla Aguas. Elena Bergsma, former beauty queen, but more than that, our most impressive player dito, our best player para sa ating laro. And day 1 pa lang to, Denise, ng ating PSL Grand Prix 2014. I'm sure ang ating mga kasamahan would like to find out ano pa yung ating schedule, what should we expect, sapagkat iba nga po itong Philippine Superliga Grand Prix. Ito sa Wednesday po, huwag kalilimutan, first match alas 2 ng hapon, Signal HD Spikers kontra Main and Tail Lady Stallions.